Home herbalism is the use of plant medicine for personal health and well-being. It means learning how to care for ourselves, our families, and our loved ones with effective natural remedies. We have easy and affordable access to herbal medicine for life's most common healing situations. It's also what keeps us healthy in the first place. Home herbalism is empowering. The membership offered by Home Herb School is designed to teach those with little to no experience in herbalism. I promise that as you go through the courses, you'll gain the confidence to make healing and nourishing herbs a part of your everyday life. There are tons of remedies and recipes to choose from. These remedies have been passed down from generations, and now science is backing them up. Before you know it, you'll have the practical skills to empower your health and the health of your family and loved ones. When you become a member, you get instant access to all 12 of my courses with 200 videos and all sorts of downloadable resources. I walk you through each course, lesson by lesson, as if I were right there alongside you. Take any course at any time, at your own pace, from any device. You can also use the course material as a reference resource. Students often comment that the video lessons are clear, concise, and easy to understand. You'll also get access to a private online community of people that love plants and love plant medicines as much as you do. This is an invaluable resource for sharing ideas and getting advice. I'll be there as well to answer your questions. The best part is that this membership is only $11.97 a month. Work at your own pace as long as you're a member and cancel at any time. You owe it to yourself to begin your herbal journey today. Hi, I'm Elizabeth Heck. Working with plants has been a big part of my life from an early age. I've worked as an herbal educator, a plant conservationist, an herbal medicine formulator, and the founder of an herbal products company. It's bringing the teachings of plant medicine to people that I find most fulfilling. I've taught thousands of students about the amazing virtues of plants, and I'm honored to be sharing these teachings with you.